Are you a real estate agent, broker, or team leader looking to grow your real estate business without cold calling, door knocking, calling expireds, and straight up bugging people? Then this channel is perfect for you. Hey, what's going on everyone? Aaron here from the Real Estate Marketing Guys, along with my partners Karan and Brett, and we're on a mission to help as many people as possible transition out of antiquated, old school marketing methods. Think of, if your 90-year-old broker told you to do these things, don't. With combined over 10 years of real estate experience, 400 plus happy real estate clients, hundreds of thousands in advertising spend, and millions in transactions later, we want to give all that information we've learned in partnering with some of the top agents in the world for one-time payment of, this says free. We're doing this for free? Okay. Now we're getting down and dirty with specifics of how to run your own Facebook ads, how to create a video strategy that attracts business as opposed to has you chasing it all the time, tips and tricks for video and content creation to not only just take part in your market, but take over by becoming the local celebrity, and of course, how to grow a YouTube channel just like this one to generate hundreds of organic leads for free every single month. Are we really doing this for free? Now we believe that marketing, video, and branding are the easiest way to get your message out there, attract your ideal client, help more people, and of course, at the end of the day, make more money and grow your business. So if any of this video resonates with you, I highly recommend to do what all the other YouTubers say. Click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell right next to that to get notified every single time we upload a video on this channel about video, marketing, branding, sales, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and much, much more. We're gonna be posting extremely consistently here on the channel multiple times per week to make sure that we're helping you grow your real estate business without cold calling expireds, wasting your time, going to network events, all, again, those antiquated things. Click the like button if you did like this video, and we'll see you on the other side. Peace. Okay, last time. Tips. Are you a real estate agent? Hey, what's going on everyone? Aaron. Hundreds of organic,